Last time on Danny Ray Lives, we really took a step back and enjoyed our last bit of time in St. Augustine. It's been a really good temporary home. Dad had to go get a part for the truck this morning, so I told him, just let me sleep. Just drive. Just get in the car and drive me away. I'll be sleeping back here. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys all for tuning in to yet another Danny Ray Lives vlog. I'm so happy to have you guys here and watching. Today we are at the truck stop in St. Augustine still. We're trying to fix my dad's truck. It doesn't have any brakes, so we're trying to get that fixed as soon as we can. But look at this sunset. I just wanted to share that with you guys because it was very beautiful. Just woke up. It's about 7 a.m. Gonna run in and go to the bathroom, but the sunset is insane, so I wanted to share it with you guys. It's crazy. It's so beautiful. So yeah, we're hoping to get out of here pretty soon. We were gonna go to Daytona next, but I think we're gonna skip right past Daytona, head further south because we are freezing. It is like 60 degrees here lately and we are so cold. We need to get going. We need to get south. We need to get to the Keys. We need to find some work because we're all pretty broke. So yeah, we're gonna get going as soon as we can, but we gotta deal with these brakes first. What are you doing?
Yeah, trying to get this thing to quit leaking.
What's the status on the truck?
Yeah, well, I don't know. I think we're getting it, but I'm still trying to get this.
He thinks he's getting it. We're trying to fix the brakes.
Trying to get this leak.
We replaced the master cylinder. We replaced the hydro boost. Replaced some brake lines. Bled the brakes. Can't get any pressure. We don't know. He's bypassing the ABS now. He thinks that's his best move. Bypassing the ABS. Oh, it keeps leaking out of that?
Yeah.
Oh, man. What about just like a couple clamps over it? Or some electrical tape or something.
Doesn't work that way.
Dang.
Watch this, okay? Watch that.
Gotta save that money. Gotta save that money. Don't double charge me.
Push it slow.
Okay? Gotta save that money. Gotta save that money. Don't double charge me.
Hold up.
Okay?
Shoot, we were watching your one.
Oh no. You know you wanna eat it. Oh, he's like, that's mine.
He threw it in my direction.
Aw. Well, we've been working on our brakes all day because we couldn't get them to work. We couldn't get them to work. All day we've been here. We wanted to go to Daytona today, but I don't know if we even will because we were dealing with brake situation. We replaced the master cylinder. We replaced the hydro boost. Nothing, no pumping. So we asked someone who's a mechanic and he jumped under there and started helping. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I love it so much. I'm seriously gonna cry. I already cried once, okay? I know. We're doing blueberry pancakes for breakfast this morning.
Think that's good?
Yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Watch a sneak past
Corinne is making a fresh OJ. We bought a bag from the Florida Citrus Center. It's huge. It was like $20 bag full of oranges. But we're gonna make a bunch of good orange juice. I don't know who has the harder job, me or Corinne today.
Hi, Mom, do.
Say hi, Dad. Getting a little workout in today. And then we gotta fix the rest of the truck. And then I'm not sure. We might have a babysitting gig tonight. Offered to babysit a little girl and a dog so their parents could go have some alone time. Corinne wants their dog so bad. Anyway, we'll show you the dog when we get back.
The adoption center.
Archie boy. Archie boy. What's her name?
Sit.
Millie.
Sit.
She's like, yeah, this van gives me treats. She's like, wait, you had one too last time. You had one too last time. I don't have any more. 3's enough. We don't want to make you fat. Thank you.
Would you guys like a love letter?
Yes. A love letter? What is that?
We travel all over, and
I'm gonna leave you a
we have a
sticker.
YouTube channel and stuff. We'll put you on there, yeah.
Yeah, we'll put you on there.
Oh, good for you.
No way.
I love the Indian flute. That one's a really nice one.
Here, I'll.
This, and then you guys have one too.
Yeah, my dad has one, and
Very
then
cool,
that one's
yeah,
mine,
very
and
cool.
that's a sticker.
Yeah, keep doing that. It's beautiful today.
Oh, it is beautiful.
I'm just gonna record a little
Thank
longer. 'cause my dad
you.
would love this.
Yeah.
In the back of the card is a really nice message, and I read that to myself on the daily. It reminds us that we are loved just for existing in this world. If
Yes.
you're ever going through something weird and funky, like not joy and bliss and happiness and freedom, then just take a few deep breaths and remember where you come from.
Oh, I love that. You're giving me goosebumps.
You're reaching right down.
I love it. We'll check your channel out too and subscribe and stuff.
That sounds great. I will too.
Okay.
Super curious.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, these are my shirts. We just got shirts. I just got shirts made.
You all live in the van together.
I live in the van. He actually has a boat, and she has a camper truck, and
So sweet.
we're just a caravan. And this is my dad.
I
Mm-hmm.
just moved here in my little home.
Nice.
You got a little van home too?
Yay, I
Van life's a
love it.
bomb, man.
It really is. It's amazing. I love it
It's the
so
only
much.
freedom really there is anymore.
Right? Where are you from?
I'm originally born in New York,
Oh, really?
Okay.
Nice.
traveling all around the United States.
Nice. We're from Michigan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's
Yeah, that's why we're
Probably
here.
watch a lot of the van dwellers.
Free
and,
magic show inside.
Yeah, some of them,
I
yeah.
only get
Yeah, right. Who do you need the best?
We're at a macaroon place. Look at all the macaroons. Corinne. Don't be sorry for being excited. Corinne bought us a key lime truffle. Let's look at it.
Stop it. It's so cute.
Look at these. They're beautiful. We gotta get a picture of us all eating it. You guys want to wait to eat them, or do you want to eat them now?
Yeah.
Okay, later. Dogs.
Yeah.
All right, we're at the Love Whole Foods, and we're getting some food. Oh my gosh! Look at his little tongue. Hanging out of his little mouth.
So cute.
All right, we're babysitting for some friends of ours that we met that have an RV, and we're going to Walmart. Look, we're matching by a shirt. And we're matching by a shirt. Look at how cute. Say hi, Emma. Hi, Emma. Whoops, sorry. Her name is Emma, and she's adorable. And Paul and Amanda are her parents. Oh, okay. Thank you. Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to scratch that out. I'm gonna have to edit that out. We just went through the exit. Oh boy. But yeah, we're going to Walmart. We're gonna get some stuff. Can you say, "Go Papa Doo"? Say, "Go Papa Doo." Shout out! Got some new shirts. Got the shirt on. Got the blue on. This color is selling fast, so if you guys want one, go to DannyRayLives.com right now and get yourself a shirt. The blue ones are hot, you guys. They are hot, so go get one. Anyway, today is a very exciting day. We are taking off and we are heading to Cocoa Beach. Yay! We got the brakes fixed. It was like 3 days of not being able to fix them, but we got them fixed, so we are off. We are off. I'm right behind Dad, and this is a very exciting day, so let's go. All right, we're at Ormond Beach, heading to the Whole Foods market so we can get some food, and then we're pushing on to a little overlander spot down the road. We're pretty excited about it. All Cocoa now. Cocoa Beach area. We are gonna park at an overlander spot on Merritt Island tonight, cook up a little bit of food and call it quits for the night because we've all had a very stressful day trying to get this truck down to the spot where we can put the boat in, and our brakes are a little sketchy still, so we're getting down to where we can park it, and we're gonna sit for a couple more days, but at least we're in a new area. Feels really good to be on the road again, on the move. So yeah, we will be pulling into our spot pretty soon. Welcome to Cocoa, Florida. Pretty exciting. About to turn left up here and go on to Merritt Island. Just as golden hour set in and the sky turned pink, we were in a new spot. We all got super inspired leaving St. Augustine for a new area, but there was still a touch of sadness in our hearts as we said goodbye to our home for the last month. We reflected on the amazing times that we had here. We are at, let me show you guys here. The sun's just going down, but I think you'll be able to see it. Yeah, we're just at a little boat ramp. We're gonna put our boat in tomorrow, which is very exciting. The boat's finally going in, but for tonight, we're gonna chill and we're gonna relax. So I'll let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Next episode, we find some cool things to do in Cocoa Beach. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a like for me. That helps me out a little bit on YouTube, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.